We are in Quincy, Illinois at Times Square Bakery and Cafe. This is adorable. Okay, we're both having burgers and squash soup. And my burger has bacon and egg on it.
Mine's just a cheeseburger.
And Walter just got a cheeseburger.
It's delicious though.
I'm looking forward to this.
I do nothing vegetable.
I lampooned two prominent citizens out.
I think
They drove down there, and Bill drove his...
Yeah, he did.
Okay, before the battery dies, would I stay at this park again? Oh, definitely yes. I would stay at this park again. It's a lovely park. It's not much dirt. And mostly it's this pea gravel stuff. Oh, look, these people. It's Gail and Steve.
About 10:30, I usually bring something with me to carve until
Oh, how cute. Look at that. It's like me with knitting.
Oh, you knit?
I knit.
Oh, cool. Cool.
Oh, look at all your tools.
Yeah, I use primarily a knife.
Oh,
And- but I
lovely,
use,
beautiful knife.
Gouges and that sort of thing for certain details.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Most of the tools are handmade by small
That is
operations.
beautiful. You know what? I love that.
Yeah.
I love homemade stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, and where's my group? There they
They
are.
went that. Oh, they left you behind.
It's okay.
We'll
Thank
see later.
you.
You're welcome.
Okay, we are at Mark Twain Boyhood Home and Museum. It's an interpretive center. Apparently this is the Huck Finn house and outhouse on the looks of it. There is stairs in this tour. It's one flight. This better be worth my heart attack.
His wife was his editor.
Okay. Hannibal's gift.
Oh, okay.
And how do we get down there?
Up there.
It must be re-implemented. The timeout generation, it didn't work.
This is great.
Blue door. Blue door.
What's the difference in elevation between the highest passageway and the lowest passageway?
Oh, that's a good
Ooh,
question.
good
I actually have no
question.
idea. I know they're really far, like, because we went through one and we had to straddle and it was like 20 feet or something. But I don't know, like truly, I don't know which one's the highest point and which one's not.
make it up because we don't know the temperature.
About 250,000 feet.
Okay.
Yeah. So. Also, if I turn a light on, use the face cream. Did I turn it back on?
It's back on.
Okay, great. Sorry.
Oops.
Wait.
Okay, we're having dinner here at the brick oven. Okay, Walter got lasagna.
Wow.
And I got shrimp scampi because they don't have the ingredients for their fruit of the month.
You're right, those olives are salty. They are great. Okay?
And they
That's
got
the
a
true difference
split
of the-
pizza.
of the of the food chain here.
So you get all those great olives here.
Just need to know so I can let them know to expect some of us.
All right, here comes the damn fly. Don't hold it and put it.
Did you get it?
We're gonna do the fly at 3 feet.
It fires salt. It fires salt and has a range of about 5 to maybe 7 feet. And I was down in Terralingua outside of Big Bend National Park, and there was a bunch of drunken musicians near us, and they had a bunch of these things. I didn't know what the hell they were doing, and they were running around their campground shooting flies at each other. With the bugger raider.
Didn't you notice he said drunk musician?
It's coming out. It shoots a big stream.
So kill the flies.
Everybody does
How would you eat that?